Welcome to our monthly promotion. This month, we're excited to introduce you to the incredible benefits of doTERRA guaiac wood and Melissa essential oils, along with our Healthy Start Kit and Healthy Habits Kit. First up, let's talk about guaiac wood oil. Known for its sweet, woody, and rose-like aroma, guaiac wood oil is perfect for creating a tranquil atmosphere. Because of its famed scent and topical benefits, guaiac wood is often used in perfumes and skincare products. doTERRA guaiac wood adds a soothing, gentle touch to an evening massage or skincare routine, and its grounding aromatic properties can also help enhance your yoga practice by creating a rejuvenating ambiance when diffused. It's great for meditation, soothing minor skin irritations, and supporting the skin's natural hydration. Check out these diffuser blends with guaiac wood. For the DIYers out there, here is a solid perfume recipe using this oil. Next, we have Melissa oil, also known as lemon balm oil. Melissa oil is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. Add it to water for a citrus-like flavor. Don't forget, you can include it in your favorite recipes. It helps alleviate stress, promotes relaxation, and supports emotional balance. It's also known for helping to clean skin, giving a refreshed-looking appearance. It makes it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Apply 1 drop to your facial cleanser. To experience a relaxing aroma, apply 1 drop to your forehead, shoulders, or chest. For the refreshed-looking appearance, add it to your daily moisturizer. After exercise, you can dilute Melissa oil with fractionated coconut oil and apply to legs before and after exercise for a soothing aroma. Our Healthy Start Kit is designed to transform your mind, body, and home with pure, ethically sourced essential oils. This kit includes 10 essential oils and blends such as lavender, lemon, peppermint, and frankincense. These oils offer a range of benefits from promoting relaxation and cleansing to supporting immune function and digestive health. The Healthy Habits Kit is perfect for anyone looking to achieve and maintain a healthy lifestyle. This kit includes best-selling doTERRA essential oils, blends, and supplements like doTERRA Balance, Deep Blue Rub, and TerraZyme. These products support your wellness journey by helping you build healthy habits, boost energy, and promote overall wellness. Don't miss out on this amazing promotion. Incorporate these powerful essential oils and kits into your daily routine and experience the benefits for yourself. Visit our website or contact us today to get started on your path to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.